Welcome to our in-depth technical analysis of AXTI, a Nasdaq-listed stock that has recently caught the attention of many traders. In this video, we'll break down the latest price movements, key technical indicators, and what they might mean for the stock's future. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, understanding these signals can help you make more informed decisions. Let's start by looking at the current price and the context of the last 3 months of trading activity, setting the stage for a detailed exploration of AXTI's technical landscape. As of January 3, 2026, AXTI is trading at $16.76. This price reflects a significant upward movement over the past 3 months, especially when compared to its 52-week low of $1.13 and high of $18.25. The current price positions AXTI near the top of its annual range, suggesting strong recent momentum. This context is crucial as we dive into the technical indicators, helping us understand whether this trend is likely to continue or if a reversal could be on the horizon. Moving averages are essential tools for identifying trends. For AXTI, the short-term averages like SMA5 and EMA5 are at 15.77 and 15.95, respectively, both below the current price. Longer-term averages such as SMA 200 at 4.64 show a dramatic gap, highlighting the stock's recent surge. This alignment of short and long-term averages below the current price typically signals a strong bullish trend, indicating that buyers have been in control for a sustained period. Exponential moving averages (EMAs) give more weight to recent prices, making them responsive to new trends. AXTI's EMA5 at 15.95 and EMA10 at 15.34 both sit below the current price, reinforcing the bullish sentiment. Even the EMA 200 at 6.29 is far below, emphasizing the magnitude of the recent rally. This setup often attracts momentum traders looking to ride the trend, but it also raises questions about sustainability. Bollinger Bands help us gauge volatility and potential overbought or oversold conditions. For AXTI, the upper band is at 17.41 with the lower at 11.66. The current price is close to the upper band and the BB position is 88.75, suggesting the stock is trading near the top of its recent range. This can sometimes indicate overbought conditions, but in strong trends, prices can ride the upper band for extended period. Momentum indicators like MACD, RSI, and stochastic oscillator provide insight into the strength of the current trend. AXTI's MACD is at 1.41 with a positive histogram, while the RSI 14 sits at 67.1, approaching overbought territory. The stuck ASA is at a maximum 100, further supporting the idea of strong momentum. These readings suggest buyers are firmly in control, but also hint at the possibility of a short-term pullback if the stock becomes overextended. Volume analysis is crucial for confirming price moves. AXTI's on-balance volume (OBV) is at a massive 213,891,999, and the relative volume is 2.53, indicating trading activity is well above average. High volume during price advances typically confirms the strength of the move, suggesting institutional interest. However, it's important to watch for any divergence between price and volume, which could signal a weakening trend. Volatility indicators like ATR14 at 1.83 and true volatility at 10.92 show that AXTI has experienced significant price swings recently. The volatility 30 at 6.88 and volatility breakout at 1.81 further highlight the dynamic trading environment. High volatility can present both opportunities and risks, so traders should be prepared for rapid price changes, especially after such a strong run-up. Average Directional Index, ADX14 at 39.72, and Trend Strength Score at 0.884 both point to a robust trend in AXTI. An ADX above 25 is generally considered strong, and here it's well above that threshold. This, combined with the High Trend Quality Index of 83.65, suggests the current uptrend is not only strong but also of high quality, giving traders more confidence in the prevailing direction. Key price levels can act as psychological barriers for traders. For AXTI, the nearest support is at $15.04, while resistance sits at $18.36. The pivot point is $16.65, just below the current price. These levels are important for planning entries and exits, as they often mark areas where price action may pause or reverse. Watching how AXTI behaves around these levels can provide valuable clues for future moves. AXTI's current price is at 91.3% of its 52-week range, with a low of $1.13 and a high of $18.25. This dramatic rise over the past year underscores the stock's volatility and the potential for both significant gains and sharp corrections. Understanding where the price sits within this range helps traders gauge risk and reward, especially after such a rapid ascent. Looking at the last few trading days, AXTI has seen sharp moves. On January 2nd, the stock opened at $17.20, hit a high of $18.25, and closed at $16.76 with over 10 million shares traded. This high volume and wide price range reflect heightened interest and volatility. Such action often precedes key turning points, so monitoring upcoming sessions is crucial for timely decision-making. Risk-reward ratio for AXTI is currently 0.281, suggesting that while the upside has been strong, the risk of a pullback is also present. With volatility elevated and the stock near resistance, traders should weigh potential rewards against the possibility of a correction. Proper risk management, including stop-loss strategies, becomes even more important in such environments. Let's briefly define some of the core technical indicators used in this analysis. Moving averages smooth out price data to identify trends. The MACD measures momentum and trend direction, while RSI gauges overbought or oversold conditions. Bollinger Bands show volatility, and ADX quantifies trend strength. Understanding these concepts is essential for interpreting the signals we've discussed throughout this report. Summary: AXTI has demonstrated a powerful uptrend, supported by strong technical indicators and high trading volume. However, with the stock trading near its 52-week high and several momentum indicators flashing overbought signals, caution is warranted. Traders should monitor key support and resistance levels, stay alert for signs of trend reversal, and always manage risk appropriately. As always, technical analysis is just one tool. Combine it with broader research for the best results.